Good morning, students. I K Misra, your mathematics teacher. Students, today I am going to discuss here a very important chapter for class 6. Students, it's a new chapter for you because this chapter's introduction will never be given in previous classes. So, students, carefully watch the video and try to understand better. So friends, and I give you a suggestion, if you are new on this channel, to subscribe this channel for regular update of the videos. So friends, now let's start. Friends, first of all, know what is equation. Equation means a statement of equality. What do you mean by a statement of equality? Students, a statement of equality means where equal to sign is hold. Suppose here I write 5x plus 2 is equal to 9. Students, you can write this expression into a statement. Here 5 times x is added to 2 gets 9, or you can write 2 is added to 5 times x is equal to 9. That means, students, here in this statement equal to is hold. That means here it's a statement of equality. Here 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Students, it's also a statement of equality, but here only arithmetic, only numbers are used. But we will discuss an equation. An equation is a statement of equality in which one or more variables is present. Students, here I write an example in which no one variable is present, only constant, only numbers are present. But here I write an statement in which x is variable, here variable is also present. That means it's an equation. Here an equation. That means, clear students, a statement of equality in which one or more variables is present is called an equation. Clear? Now, what do we mean by linear equation? Here we have to know the chapter linear equation. Name of this chapter, that is chapter 9 in R.S. Agarwal book, and name of this chapter linear equation. And in this class we have to study about only linear equation. So here first of all we understand about equation. Now we will understand what is linear equation. Students, linear equation means an equation, and I think you clearly understand what is equation. That means a statement of equality. So a statement of equality in which maximum power of the variable is 1. In other word, we can say linear equation means an equation in which maximum power of the variable is 1. That means highest power of the variable is 1 in equation is called linear equation. Always understand, power only be considered on variables, not on constant. Here 5x, x is variable and 2 is constant. Constant term 2 and 5x is variable, and maximum power of the variable is 1. Here 5x means maximum power of the variable, highest power of the variable is 1. That means it's a linear equation. It's a linear equation. Clear, students? Here I write 2x plus y is equal to 3. It's also an equation, and it's also a linear equation. It's also linear equation. But here two variables is present, x and y. So linear equation in two variable. But students, in this class we have to learn about only linear equation in one variable. Our heading is linear equation in one variable. That means in this class that equation be studied only one variable. Suppose x or only y or only z is present. Here I write 5x plus 2 is equal to 2x minus 7. Students, here x and here 5x and here 2x is written. In here equal to sign is hold, and this part in equation, the part of equation which lie in left side of the equal to sign. Here this is the left side, left hand side. This is known as LHS, and after equal to, here this part is which side? Right side. Right side. That means here right hand side. So it's RHS. That means in equation two sides. The sides which fall on left hand, that is called left hand side, LHS, and that falls on right side, right hand side, that is called RHS. So here two sides. And students, here in this equation, here two places where variable is present. Here 5x and 2x. But in both places only x is variable, not two types of variable. Suppose here in this example x and y, both different variables are present. That means two variables, but maximum highest power is 1, here power is 1. So students, it's also a linear equation, but linear equation in one variable. But here two places where variable is present, here 2x and 5x, but variable be same, here x and here also x. So it's a linear equation in one variable. Clear, students? Now here we have to know a term, solution of equation. What do you mean by solution of equation? Solution of equation means the value of variable. Understand? Here variable is x and here x, but that means x, and put the value of x for which LHS equal to RHS. That means that value is known as solution of the equation. Students, here I write an equation. Suppose I write a new equation, 3x is equal to 18. Students, here I write 3x equal to 18. It's a linear equation. And students, when you put, if we put x equal to 6, when you put x equal to 6, then LHS, value of LHS equal to 3x means 3 into 6, that means 18, and RHS equal to 18 is given. That means here LHS equal to RHS. For which value of x? That means x equal to 6. So here x equal to 6 is the solution of given equation. That means I think you understand the meaning of solution of equation. Once again, I repeat this. The value of variable for which the equation is satisfied. Satisfied means LHS equal to RHS. That means the value of variable for which LHS equal to RHS is called solution of the equation. Suppose here I write another example. Here I write x plus 5 is equal to 9 minus 4. Here 9 minus 3. Students, here I write an equation. Students, when you put x equal to 1, when you put x equal to 1, then LHS equal to 1 plus 5, that means 6, and RHS equal to 9 minus 3 equal to 6. Here observe LHS equal to RHS. And for which value of variable? That means variable value is x equal to 1. That means x equal to 1 is the solution of equation given. The solution of given equation is x equal to 1. Here you can ask, how will you know you put x equal to 1 to get LHS equal to RHS? Then students, I know the method of solving the equation. Students, now after that I will discuss the solution of equation. But first of all, know in this class, how will you write the statement in equation? Your first question is write the statement in equation form. So students, I think you already completed the statement of algebraic expression in exercise 8a of Artsabal book. Friends, here you have already learnt how will you write the statement in algebraic expression. And similarly students, here that type of a statement where equal to sign it hold, that means you have to write equal to something. Suppose I write a statement and you have to write it in equation form. Here 2 is added to 3 times a number y is equal to 14. Friends, here 2 is added to 3 times a number y is equal to 14. That means first of all write these are statement in algebraic expression. Here 2 is added to 3 times a number y. That means 3 times a number y means 3y and plus 2, and this it is equal to 14. And students, it's your required equation. It's your required equation. That means similarly students, you can write the statement in equation form. And students, after that you have to check the value of variable which satisfied or not. I think you put that value and check LHS equal to RHS or not. Now I am going to solve here some questions of your book. Before solving, you know the method of solving, and here I discuss in this video only I discuss a method that is known as trial and error method. That means by self we put the value of variable. Any value can you put, and you can get sometimes in this method, sometimes you will get answer. That means you will get the solution LHS equal to RHS, but sometimes when you put any value, that means you can't guess the solution. So this method is known as trial and error method. Now students, know a very important term, roots. Students, I discussed what is solution, and in other word, solution is also known as roots of the equation. Root of the equation. Root of the equation means solution of the equation. That means students, solution of the equation is also known as root of the equation. If any places, suppose you have given x equal to 2, is it root of the equation? That means here question is asked, is the value of variable is solution of the equation? That means here roots of equation, that means in other word you can say solution of the equation. That means solution or root is the synonyms. Solution of the equation is root of the equation. It's same things. Now students, here I am going to solve some questions of your exercise 9A of R.S. Agarwal book. Here students, I write question 1. Write the following statement as an equation. Here the statement is written, and you have to write this statement into equation form. Here a statement is a number increased by 8 is equal to 15. First of all, write this statement here in expression form. Here a number is not written here. Suppose let the number, a number question, let the number be x. Here number is not written. That means here in equation you can let or suppose that number that will be required to find. Here a number is increased. Here number is x. That means let the number be x. And here third, number is increased by 8. That means x plus 8. Increase means plus, add x plus 8 and then result equal to, is equal to, when x is added to the number, then result is equal to 15, and it's your required equation. In another question, B number, if 12 is subtracted from a number, the result is 12. Here also you suppose the number. Let, in B number question, let the number be x. Let the number be x. That means this number, if 12 is added, subtracted from a number, this number is x. That means number means x. And where, what is subtracted from which number? That means 12 is subtracted from x. This number is x. That means here x minus 12. This its expression be x minus 12, and the result is equal to 24. Is equal to 24. It's your required equation. Now in C number, 25 exceeds a number by 7. Here number also you let You suppose in C number question, let the number is x. Here also number is x, and 25 exceeds x. Number means x. 25 is larger than x. By how much? By 7. That means when you subtract x in 25, you will get 7. Here clear? 25 is a number which exceeds. 25 exceeds. 25 is more than the number by 7. That means when that number is subtracted in 25, you will get result 7. That means here 25 minus x is equal to 7, and its required solution, required equation of the question number C. Now here question number D. Here 6 times a number is 5 more than the number. Here carefully read. 6 times a number. Suppose here in D number, let the required number be x. Here number be x. So here 6 times a number, that means 6x. 6 times a number is 5 more than the number. That means 6x is equal to x plus 5. This equation. That means 6 times number x, 6 times the number is equal to 5 more than 5. More means plus 5 more than the number. Number is x plus 5. This is the required equation. Now students, proceed in second number question. Write the statement for the following equation. That means here equation is given and you have to write the statement. That means this type of a statement you can write for this equation. Here in first question a statement is given and you have to write the equation, but in second question equation is given and you have to write the statement. Here for A, 2A, here 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 equal to 13. That means you can write the statement here. 3 is subtracted from 2 times a number is equal to 13. That means you can write here 3 is subtracted to 2 times a number x. 2 times a number x. 2 times a number x is equal to 13. Is equal to 13 is the statement for this equation. Here in B number question, 11 plus 3x. Here 11 plus 3x is equal to 17. That means students, 11 plus 3x equal to 17 means 11 3x. 3 times a number is added to 11. Result is equal to 17. That means it will be written 3 times a number. 3 times a number is added to 11. Added to 11 gets 17. That means equal to 17. Now in question number C, here in C, 2z upon 3, 2z by 3. That means 2z by 3 means 2 times a number is divided by 3. The quotient is 18. That means you can write here 2 times a number is divided by 3. 2 times a number is divided by 3, quotient, then quotient is equal to 8, and quotient is equal to 8. Similarly, students, you can solve the questions of given in your exercise 9A of our survival book. Now students, here 2 more question is given, and now also discuss that question. Here question number 3, verify by the substitution that the root of this equation is x equal to 4. That means here you have to verify, when you put x equal to 4 in this equation, you will get LHS equal to RHS, because we know the value of variable for which LHS equal to RHS, that value of variable is known as solution of the equation, and solution of the equation is also known as root of the equation. So students, here put, for verifying, put here equation is written 3x minus 5 equal to 7, and you have to put x equal to 4. That means LHS, take LHS first, LHS, that means 3x minus 5, that means 3 into, and put x equal to 4, x equal to 4 and minus 5. Here 12 minus 5 is equal to 7, and students, here is equal to RHS. RHS equal to 7. So here LHS equal to RHS, and that is verified. Similarly, you can verify all the questions. Here another question is B. The roots of 8 minus 7 by equal to 1 is by. That means students, here B number 8 minus 7y is equal to 1, and you have to check by equal to 1. That means LHS equal to 8 minus 7y, that means 8 minus 7 into 1, and when you put is equal to 1 and is equal to RHS. Here observe LHS is equal to RHS, then it's verified. Now students, proceed in next question. Question 4 number, solve each of the following by trial and error method. Understand this carefully, and I already told trial and error method, in which we put the value of variable by self. That means any value you can put that will be suitable for the. So here first A number, by plus 9 is equal to 13. When you have to put x equal to 1, then y plus 9 is equal to, here when you put, for checking this, here write the value of, here x, value of x, and here LHS means y plus 9, and here RHS, and here 13, RHS equal to 13. Students, here put in this table the value. Here x equal to put 1. When you put x equal to 1, then 1 plus 9 is LHS equal to 10, and here RHS equal to 13. Here when you put y equal to 2, then LHS equal to 11 and RHS equal to 13. When you put LHS equal to 3, then here 12 and RHS equal to 13. But when you put LHS equal to 4 and here 9, here RHS equal to, LHS equal to 13 and RHS equal to 13. Students, when x equal to 4, here x equal to 4, then LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Then the solution of the given equation is x equal to 4. And I think you can complete all the question is given here, and your exercise in book you can easily complete. I think you have no problem to understanding this chapter, this exercise. So today's class is over. We will meet in next video, next class, and where we will learn about the algebraic method of solution of linear equation in one variable. So wait for next video. Today's class is over. That's all. Thank you.